Diversification is the golden rule of investing. But what if I told you some of the world's best investors don't fully agree?
Today, we're unpacking whether diversification is real protection or just a false sense of safety.
Welcome to the NeuroBiz podcast channel. In this episode, we're diving into true diversification.
And we're going beyond the basics, focusing on how to grow your wealth with confidence.
When concentration actually works and what Warren Buffett really thinks about all of it. Let's start with the hard truth. Most people think owning a lot of stocks automatically means they're diversified. But that's often false safety. Owning 20 tech stocks is not diversification. Owning 5 different funds that all move with the same market isn't either.
Right. You've got to consider how they correlate. Peter Lynch in One Up on Wall Street warned that owning too many stocks without understanding them can actually increase risk.
Exactly. You got to understand what you own.
He famously said, owning stocks is like having children. Don't get involved with more than you can handle.
Oh, yeah. I remember that one. True diversification means spreading risk across different businesses, sectors, and even behaviors, not just ticker symbols.
That's a great point.
Now, let's talk about the controversial part, concentration. Because yes, concentration can work, but only under very specific conditions.
Peter Lynch ran a concentrated portfolio when he had deep knowledge, time, and research backing every decision.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And this is key. Concentration works when you understand the business deeply, can tolerate volatility, are willing to be wrong and wait.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah.
For most everyday investors, that's not realistic, which is why concentration often turns into speculation.
Exactly. This is where Warren Buffett is often misunderstood. People love quoting him saying,
diversification is protection against ignorance. Right, but context matters.
Yeah, but they forget the rest of the message. Buffett believes concentration works for people who truly know what they're doing, but diversification is essential for everyone else.
That makes perfect sense.
Yeah. In the essays of Warren Buffett, he makes it clear most investors are better off owning a broad, diversified portfolio
and staying the course.
That's why Buffett repeatedly recommends low-cost index funds for the average investor, even though he himself runs a concentrated portfolio.
J.L. Collins in The Simple Path to Wealth reinforces this idea beautifully. He argues that diversification isn't about maximizing return. It's about surviving long enough to let compounding work. The market rewards patience, not complexity. And diversification reduces the biggest risk of all your own behavior.
Absolutely. Diversification is key to managing your biases and fears. So is diversification overrated?
Well, it depends on your overall portfolio goals, but I do think some people overemphasize it. For experts with deep conviction, maybe. For most people, absolutely not. True diversification isn't about owning everything. It's about owning enough to stay invested through uncertainty.
If this video helped you rethink diversification, hit like. It really helps the channel. Subscribe to the NeuroBiz podcast channel for more clear investing insights. And comment below, do you believe in diversification or focused investing, Jared? Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.
We'll see you there.